BeFunky's Artsy effects work just like adding our photo effects, only they turn your photos into brilliant works of art. Click on the Artsy tab to find the perfect artistic style you're looking for. Clicking on the Artsy effect thumbnails lets you preview your photos as cartoons, vibrant oil paintings, impressionist art, detailed sketches, and so much more. Notice that you can control the amount of the Artsy effect using the slider and apply it in a single click by pressing the check mark, or access the settings menu to make more adjustments and use the effect in paint mode. And when you find an Artsy effect you'd like quick access to, just click the star icon to add it to your favorites.